Want an open floor plan, new construction home with the latest technology to make your life easier and safer? But you still want your home to have some charm and character. And how about a neighborhood that has amenities that'll keep the entire family happy? Allow me to introduce the Darby by D.R. Horton in Heron Pointe at Brunswick Forest. This is the blend of tech, character, and neighborhood that you're looking for. Hey real estate explorers, I'm Brad Moody, your local real estate agent and coach right here on the beautiful southern coastline of North Carolina. Today, we're headed to Leland. This is in Brunswick County on the west side of the Cape Fear River. We're gonna visit one of my favorite master plan communities, Brunswick Forest. This place has a championship level golf course, multiple amenity centers, scenic nature trails, and so much more. We're going to the Heron Pointe section of the neighborhood, which is near the Reflections Amenity Center. It features a fitness center, saltwater swimming pool with a wet deck, as well as a lounge area. There's also a couple of more surprises, but I'll cover that in another video. Right now, let's focus on the Darby. This Darby model is a 3-bed, 2-bath, featuring 9-foot tall ceilings, baseboards, quartz kitchen countertops on top of 42-inch cabinets. The kitchen also features a walk-in pantry, gas stove, and stainless steel appliances throughout. The luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout provides the perfect balance of style and function. You get all of this for under $500,000. Make sure to reach out to me. My contact is in the description below to ensure that you don't miss out on the best pricing and incentives on this home. The open concept is capped off with a gas fireplace that is ready for TV install above the mantel. The bathrooms are stunning as well. They feature chrome finishes, Craftsman mirror frames, and quartz countertops. The primary ensuite adds another layer of luxury by 2 separate vanities and a gorgeous 5-foot walk-in shower with chrome fixtures as well. This Darby is a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2-car garage with 1,883 square feet. It's a gorgeous Craftsman style ranch. The property is zoned for Town Creek Elementary, Leland Middle, and North Brunswick High School. It also has smart home connections for the thermostat, the front door lock, and the front door lights. Let's begin the tour. First, we'll go to the right and take a peek inside of bedroom number 1. Next, let's check out the full bath. Continuing through the entry hallway, we'll find the French doors leading to the flex space. To our left is the primary entryway from the garage, leading to bedroom number 2. Let's go ahead and check out the 2-car garage. The Ranai tankless water heater comes standard. Here's the laundry room. Note that the island is pre-wired for pendant lights. A walk-in pantry. The living space has a fireplace and ceiling fan. Into the primary bedroom. It's also equipped with the ceiling fan. Into the primary ensuite with separate vanities and a massive closet. The ensuite also features the 5-foot wide shower. The dining area is adjacent to one of my favorite touches, the screened-in porch. Thanks for joining me on this tour video. If you like what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button. Interested in more details about this floor plan or others like it? I'm just a message away to assist you with everything that you need. From finding the best prices to making sure you also get the best incentives from these new construction builders. This is what truly will make your home a dream come true. Also, I'm eager to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know the neighborhood or floor plan you'd love to see me cover next. Your feedback is crucial for me providing you your next content. A huge thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'm Brad Moody, and I'll see you again in more exciting tour videos coming soon.